Let us talk about the appropriation account in detail. What is this account? What are we appropriating? What is to appropriate? So, appropriation. Appropriation account. So, an appropriation account, this is an account that we use to show the distribution or the allocation of profits. The distribution or the allocation of profits of a company. So that means that this account would be increased by current and previous year's profits on the credit side. So it's going to look like this. Appropriation. So on the credit side, you would have profits from previous accounting periods that we called retained income. And then the other profits that you are going to have, it's profits from current year. So at the end of the year, we'd first transfer profits from the retained income account, which is previous year's profits, add those profits with the profit that we have generated from the current year, and that is going to come from the profit and loss account, right? So let's say now the profits from retained income, it's 100,000. Then let's say the business generated 580K. So the profits available for appropriation is how much? The profits available for appropriation is going to be 680K. So this 680,000 is going to be used to pay for income tax and also pay dividends. Remember, dividends are a return on shareholders. Shareholders buy ordinary shares so that they can earn dividends amongst others. So the company each and every year may choose to pay or not to pay dividends. These dividends are paid from this retained plus current profit or current income, which is going to be 680,000. So this means that this 680,000 is going to be shared amongst income tax, and what? And dividends. Income tax is going to be calculated using the tax percentage. So remember how you calculate income tax. Income tax is simply net profit, which is the current year profit, multiplied by, let's say the tax percentage is 30%, multiplied by 30% is going to give you the profit for the income tax for the year, right? So in this case, let's say our income tax is 174K, right? And then let's say we pay our ordinary shareholders how much? We pay them 150,000. So if you take this 680, and then you pay income tax, and then you pay dividends, how much is going to be retained? How much is going to be left out, right? So whatever that's going to be left out is going to go back to the retained income account. So if you pay 174 and then pay 150,000, you are going to remain with 356K. This 356K is going to be transferred to the retained income account. So this means that this is the profits that the business has managed to retain has managed to keep. So this is the appropriation account in a nutshell. Thank you very much.